Hey everyone, today we are going to meet Power BI Desktop and let me introduce it to you. Are you excited to meet the platform where we are going to do magic with data? Yes! In today's video, we are going to learn workflow of Power BI Desktop and also Power BI Desktop interface. Let's get started. Let me first explain you the flow of Power BI Desktop. So which means the common steps we follow for developing any Power BI project. So the first one, connect data to Power BI Desktop. In order to do magic with data, we must have data first, right? We have to connect to data. Before developing any Power BI report, we must have some data with us and should connect it to Power BI Desktop. This is the first step. And next, transform and model data. So after data is connected, we have to check which kind of data is needed for our visualizations. Generally, the data we get may contain many columns and too many rows, but all those are not needed for our visualization. So we have to keep the required data in required format. So for that we have to transform the data. Transformation is nothing but cleaning, shaping, and converting raw data into a format which is suitable for analysis. So, and then we model our data by making proper relationships between tables. So, this is the second one. And the next step is create visualizations and reports. It is the most interesting part which we are waiting for. That is dragging and dropping. As Mata Parvati had given life to clay lumps, that is Vinayaka, we are bringing data to life with interactive reports and dashboards. So these are the main steps we follow. So let's go to Power BI Desktop. So when we open a Power BI Desktop, we can open a blank report or we can directly start by selecting a data source. Let me open a blank report. So this is the interface where we are going to work in the rest of our videos. So we can click on transform data to get Power Query Editor. So which is the backend of Power BI Desktop. Let me click on transform data. So here it is opening Power Query Editor. It is empty as we do not have any data. We will discuss clearly about Power Query Editor in our next video. So I am closing it here. So coming to the front end, let me give you an overview of this. So I will add a sample data source so that you can clearly understand these views. So click on Excel workbook and then add the sample data that you have. So it will load that data. So now Navigator pane opens, which shows the preview of data. As I have loaded Excel workbook and it is having a single sheet, I am clicking on it. If we are having multiple sheets, we can choose them. It might take some time to load the data into the interface. Yes, it's loaded. Now, let us understand the different views that we have in the left side of our interface. So the first one is report view. Visuals and reports are designed here. It is essential for building reports in Power BI, making it easier to present and analyze data. By default, we are in report view when we open the Power BI desktop. So coming to the second one, it is the data view or table view. So when I click on it displays your data tables in a grid format similar to spreadsheet. It is essential for anyone looking to get a closer look at their data. And the third one is model view. It allows you to manage the relationships between different tables in your data model, which helps in better understanding the structure of data model, ultimately leading to better insights. And coming to the fourth one, that is DAX query view. It helps anyone looking to deepen their understanding of DAX and improve their Power BI reports. So DAX is a formula language used in Power BI. We will cover DAX in our future videos. In the previous versions of Power BI Desktop, we only have 3 views, but in the recent updates, we got the DAX query view also. Till now, I have given the overview of all the views that are present in the left side of the interface. Now, let us go back to the report view. In the right side of the interface, we are having different panes like data pane, visualization pane, and filter panes. So coming to the data pane, it contains all the tables and even the measures also. And coming to the visualizations pane, it contains all the visual types and we can format them. we can directly click on any visual type and it gets added into the interface. So people think Power BI as directly dragging visualizations and adding the data. But we have to first transform data and model data to make it useful for adding in visualizations. So now we know what are the steps to be followed in designing reports. And from now we get into each and every step in detail and learn them. If you find this video helpful, please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.